Hi everyone, and welcome back to 3Dsurvey tutorials. This time, we'll show you how to merge two separate orthophoto mosaic maps. We've got two orthophoto maps right here. They were calculated from images taken during two different flights. Let's turn them both on and go to merge. Here, you can select the area for your merged orthophoto. To select it, you can simply use a left mouse click, or you can do it by setting specific coordinates of the map corners. Select the area and click Next. That takes you to Merge Wizard. Select the first orthophoto and click Paste Selected DOF. Select the second orthophoto, set the alpha to medium position to clearly see the coverage of two orthophoto maps. Then, click Select Merge Area and use the left mouse click to select it, right click to finish it, set the blending size to 50 and click Merge Selection. Try to avoid any obstructions when selecting your merge area. That'll help you to get the best results. After a few moments, you'll see your merged orthophoto map. Click Finish if you're pleased with it, or simply repeat the merging process for improvements. That's all for now, folks. Subscribe to our newsletter, like us on Facebook, or send us an email. And as always, thanks for watching.